Patients should absolutely feel safe if they need to come to the hospital for any of their medical needs. What we've seen across the country, and we've experienced it here at Pottstown, is patients' fear is creating major problems. Fear of coming to the hospital for fear of getting COVID-19. They're actually delaying their care, and we've seen an uptick in the number of patients dying at home from things that we could have helped them with and potentially could have saved them and prevented those deaths. We take cleaning extremely serious here. We have a high-level cleaning going on throughout the day in all the patient-populated areas, all in any visitor areas. We have a special cleaning crew that comes through and wipes down the doors, the door handles, the chairs, anywhere that patients are interacting with staff. It's much safer inside the hospital than it is at the grocery store or the gas station or anywhere else that people are going to make sure that they're able to live their lives. But again, I cannot reiterate enough how important it is that if you have signs and symptoms of a serious situation that you not wait, that we're here to help you and it will be safe and we'll take care of you.